Good morning. Michelle Patel, okay, from campus. Good morning, Michelle. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Very good morning. Who's this? Yes. Good morning, Suresh. In our last lecture, we understand about the binary addition, rules for binary addition. Similarly, and we perform some examples of binary addition. Okay, there are total 5 rules for binary addition. Now we start binary subtraction. Rules for, and down the heading as rules for binary subtraction. Rules for binary subtraction. First one, 0 minus 0 is 0. First one is 0 minus 0 is 0. Second one, 1 minus 0 equal to 1. Third one is 1 minus 1 equal to 0. All three are similar. Like your decimal subtraction. In decimal subtraction also 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. And 1 minus 1 equal to 0. These three rules are similar. But here fourth rule is that 0 minus 1 equal to 1 borrow 1. 1 borrow करावा लागेल शेजारून आपल्याला 0 मधनं 1 subtract नाही होणार. That's why 0 minus 1 says that answer is 1 and borrow 1. Okay. So these are the 4 rules for binary subtraction. This point is not so important to remember the binary rules for binary subtraction because we do not perform actual binary subtraction. Okay, We learn the subtraction by using binary addition. Subtraction by 1's complement and subtraction by 2's complement. With there we perform the addition only. Minus minus plus like that in the form of addition. So extra software for subtraction is not necessary in computer. It performs the different type of addition and actually automatically that numbers are subtracted. But we must aware about the subtraction also. So we try to perform some examples. For example, subtract the number 1110 minus 0011. So 0 minus 1 is 1 and borrow 1. So 0 minus 1, again here your 0, here your 1 minus 1, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 1 is 1. Here number 40 minus t minus t. 0 minus 1, we have to consider 1 and here borrow 1. Here you 0. Or first way, suppose quite simple example to be then you easily understand. Then 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 1. What is the rule say? 0 minus 1, answer is 1 and borrow 1. So answer is 1 and borrow 1 means here you have to do 0. You have to borrow 1. So here it becomes 0. Again 0 minus 1. Again 0 minus 1, answer is 1 and you have to borrow 1. So here you are 0. Again I repeat that first for the LSB, least significant bit, 0 minus 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 1 for second LSB, 0 minus 1, answer is 1 and borrow 1. So 0 minus 1, answer is 1 and borrow 1. How you do that borrow 1? इकडने 1 घ्यावा लागेल म्हणून इकडे 1 च्या जागेवर 0 होणार. Now what is the place value of this second LSB? 0 minus 1 again. 0 minus 1 is again 0 minus 1, answer is 1 and borrow 1. So 0 minus 1, answer is 1 and borrow 1. That's why we cancel this 1 and write here 0. Therefore, what is the MSB's bits are now? 0 minus 0. So it is 0. Now we try to tally this subtraction by decimal number system. Here 8 plus 4 12 minus here your 4 plus 2 6. Your answer should be 6 and this one is the right answer. Okay. Don't frighten about this subtraction. Subtraction आपल्याला अशी शक्यतो करावीच लागत नाही. सबट्रॅक्शन आपण वेगळ्या पद्धतीने शिकणार आहे. समजलं तरी ठीक आहे, नाही समजलं तरी चालेल. That formula is not so important, but we should perform because that is the rules are given in our textbook. So we must आपल्याला हे पण यायला पाहिजे by using the rules of binary subtraction. म्हणून मी आधी थोडं सोपं घेतलं की जे तुम्हाला समजेल. Suppose another example we consider, that is 0 1 1 1 minus 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Now 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 0 minus 0, 0. Oh, okay. Here your decimal 7. 4 plus 2 plus 1. So, Shruti, do you understand? Here, again I repeat, for Sanskruti, concentrate here. Here, 8, 4, 2, 1. How you understand 8, 4, 2, 1 code? LSB value is 2 raised to 0. Second LSB having weight 2 raised to 1. Third LSB having weight 2 raised to 2. And MSB having weight 2 raised to 3. Means suppose your number is 1, 1, 1, 1. Then what is the value of 1, 1, 1, 1? The place value is 2 raised to 3 means 8. Place value of this is 4. Place value of this 2 raised to 1 means 2. Place value of this is 1. So 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, it is equal to 15. Suppose number is 0, 1, 1, 0. Then what is the place value here? 8, here 4, here 2 and here 1. 8 absent 0 है, इकडचा पण 0 आहे, राहिले काय 4 आणि 2. So 0, 1, 1, 0 corresponds to 4 plus 2 which is equal to decimal 6. Do you understand Sanskriti? 8, 4 by using 8, 4, 2, 1 we are able to calculate the decimal value of any binary number. Okay, we are able to calculate the decimal value of any binary number. Right? So here the meaning of 0, 1, 1, 1 means 4 plus 2 plus 1 which is equal to 7. Here 0, 0, 1, 1 means 2 plus 1 because the place value of the second LSB is 2 raised to 1. Here 2 raised to 0. 2 raised to 0 means 1. 2 raised to 1 means 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 7 minus 3, answer is 4. So here answer is 4 because here 1 here only. So the place value of this third LSB is 2 raised to 2 because here 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, both are 0, 0, but 2 raised to 2 is present. So 1 multiplied 2 raised to 2 is 4. Here again 0. So 0, 1, 0, 0 means 4. In this way we perform the binary subtraction. But if you carefully see all the examples I do, or in all the examples that subtrahend is less than this number, then only we get the right subtraction. Now what happens? That subtrahend is greater than this number. Means in A minus B, suppose we want, listen carefully now, in A minus B, if B is greater than A, then what you have to do? You have to subtract B minus A and give the answer minus sign. Again listen carefully. We want to perform A minus B, and if B is greater than A, then we have to perform B minus A with the answer giving minus sign. Okay, this also we try to perform with one example. Write down all these examples, especially this one. While perform this subtraction, if you by trick subtract the decimal number and directly write down answer, and you can't do like this, then you cannot get the marks for that subtraction. You have to do the proper subtraction by showing borrow, like cross that one and place that 0, because here you have to borrow, because 0 minus 1 is not possible. That's why you have to 0 minus 1 answer is 1 and borrow 1 means cross that 1 and 0. Here put 0 here. Do you understand? Any question? Yes, Gauri. I know physics चा पण lecture चालू आहे. पण तिकडे काहीतरी डिस्कशन होईल. आणि आज आपणही खूप महत्वाचं शिकणार आहोत आणि इंटरेस्टिंग आहे. सबट्रॅक्शन बाय वन्स कॉम्प्लिमेंट आणि सबट्रॅक्शन बाय टूज कॉम्प्लिमेंट. तिकडे फक्त काहीतरी डिस्कशन आहे. नेक्स्ट पुढचा याचा टीचिंग नाहीये. देन यू डिसाइड. ओके, किंवा लगेच केव्हा तरी आजच रेकॉर्डेड लेक्चर बघून घ्याल फिजिक्सचं. ओके, दोनही मॅनेज नका करू सायमल्टेनियसली. मग हे पण नाही समजणार आणि ते पण नाही समजणार. Okay, now we are going to do this. काय करायचंय मग तुम्हाला? फिजिक्सचं लेक्चर अटेंड करायला पाहिजे का? काय करूयात मग आपण? मी उद्या कंटिन्यू करू का? Tell me. Do you want to attend physics lecture now? थोडा कमी वेळ घेऊया आपण, मग तुम्ही फिजिक्सचा अटेंड करा. ओके, हा फॉरवर्ड अजून 8:45 पर्यंत कंटिन्यू करूया. ओके, now here 3 minus 7. Now first you have to check. Now subtrahend is greater than this. So what you have to perform here? 0, 1, 1, 1 minus 0, 0, 1, 1 and with answer having minus sign. So 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. Here 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus 0 is 0. Your answer is 4. Minus 4. So 3 minus 7 equal to minus 4. We get right answer. Means for performing the subtraction by using the rules of binary subtraction, you have to check where subtract that second number, whether it is greater than the first or less than the first. If that second number, that is the subtract, is less than the first number, then you have to do the normal subtraction. But if it is greater, then you have to perform, you have to change the order of subtract and give the answer minus sign. Okay? Do you understand, all of you? अजून एक example घेऊया. Suppose for example 0, 1, 1, 0 minus 1, 1, 0, 1. Here you are 6. Here you are 30. 6 minus 30. Minus 7. The answer should be minus 7. So here B is greater than A, that is A minus B. B is greater than A. So you have to perform B minus A with answer negative sign. Okay. One, one, zero, one. This is your B now. Minus A, 0, 1, 1, 0. This is your A now. Answer la लगेच minus sign द्यायचं and follow the rules for binary subtraction. 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 1, answer 1, borrow 1. So 0 minus 1, answer 1, borrow 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. See, this is 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So minus 7 is your answer. You get the right answer by performing B minus A with answer having negative sign. How I perform this? 1 minus 0 is 1. Right? 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 1 is not possible. We have to borrow 1. But answer is 1. What is the rule says? 0 minus 1. Answer is 1 and borrow 1. 0 minus 1. Answer is 1 and borrow 1 means we have got to place 0. So 0 minus 1. Again, that's why answer is 1. Again, you have to borrow 1. So borrow 1 means here 0. Therefore, MSB says 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Like that, your answer is minus 7. Means if 6 minus 13, you have to perform 13 minus 6 with minus sign. Understand? Any question? Will you able to perform any subtraction? Okay. Only this rule you have to remember. All other rules are similar to your decimal subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. All these three rules are similar. Only 0 minus 1, answer is 1 and borrow 1. Only once between these 8 to 10 years, once there is a board question that write down the rules for binary subtraction and explain with example. What is the question? Listen carefully. Write down the rules for binary subtraction and explain with examples. Explain with examples means in first example you have to consider A minus B equal to what? At that time A is greater than B, and for second any example in A minus B equal to what? You have to consider B greater than A. म्हणजे ह्या दोनही प्रकारचे एक्झाम्पल्स तुम्ही करून दाखवायचे आहेत. Okay, and write down the rules for binary subtraction. Between 8 to 10 years, only once there is a question on binary subtraction. But you must know, you have to go through all the points of our syllabus. Okay. Next very important point, that is one's complement of the number. What do you understand by one's complement of the number? It is so simple. If the number is 0, 1, 1, 0, then one's complement Ones complement. We have for finding the ones complement of any number, we have to replace 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. So ones complement of a given number is 1, 0, 0, 1. In this way, we find ones complement of any number. For example, suppose the number is 1, 1, 1, 1. Then its ones complement is 0, 0, 0, 0. If the number is 1, 1, 0, 0, then its ones complement is 0, 0, 1, 1. Do you understand? It's so simple. We have to change 0 by 1 and 1 by 0 to find the ones complement of any number. Okay? Write down this one. Ones complement of the number and write all these examples. Means anytime you remember what is the ones complement of number. Okay? Now next one, what is 2's complement of the number? Wait 1 minute. Amulika, Amulika, I'm in lecture. You called me Shika. Okay. Now second point, that is 2's complement of the number. Okay, 2's complement. Now simple formula for 2's complement equal to 1's complement plus 1. Now first we have to do 1's complement of a given number and add 1, then that number is the 2's complement of given number. Suppose the number is 0, 1, 1, 1. First we form 1's complement. 1's complement and it is 1, 0, 0, 0. 1's complement of this number is 1, 0, 0, 0. Therefore, what is the 2's complement? Therefore, 2's complement equal to 1, 0, 0, 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. According to binary addition, 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 as it is, 0 as it is, and 1 as it is, because no numbers are not given here, means you may consider 0 here. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 0, 0, 1. So 2's complement of number, what is the answer? 2's complement of number 0, 1, 1, 1 is 1, 0, 0, 1. Do you understand? First we perform 1's complement by replacing 1 by 0 and 0 by 1. And in that 1's complement, if we add a number, binary number 1, then we get the 2's complement of a given number. Do you understand? Any question? Okay. Write down all these steps. In this way, we are able to find out the 2's complement of any given number. Now here we consider only 4-bit numbers. There may be 8-bit numbers, more than that, 6-bit, 7-bit, 8-bit numbers. All that numbers are replaced by the 2's complement by finding its 1's complement plus 1. Okay? Do you complete this one? How many of you are there? Are you there? Please reply. Okay. Okay. Good. Very good. Very good, Gauri Harshal. Okay. Now this next point is very important. That's why I asked you to reply. That next point is, listen carefully, so simple and interesting, and with the help of that you may get 4 to 6 marks for that question. That write down the proper heading: subtraction by 2's complement. Subtraction by 2's complement. Now, with example, we have to carry all the steps. Suppose, first rule, first I try to explain you the subtraction. If number A minus B, we have to perform, suppose, A minus B. Okay, so in first step, what we have to do, find out the 2's complement of number B. So now what we have to do, find out the 2's complement of B and add in A. Okay, and here suddenly we perform one example, that is, suppose 1 1 0 0 minus 0 1 1 1. Okay, means your A is this one 1 1 0 0 and your B subtrahend is 0 1 1 1. Then what you have to perform in step 1? Find the 2's complement of B. Means you have to find out the 2's complement of 0 1 1 1 and add that 2's complement in A. Means the subtraction is converted into addition. Okay, so 2's complement of B, that is 0 1 1 1, is equal to 1 0 0 0. That is 1's complement of this number is 1 0 0 0 plus 1. So our 2's complement is 0 plus 1 is 1. All other numbers are as it is. And what they say, add in A. What is our A? 1, 1, 0, 0. Here your A. And add. Minus sign replaced by plus sign. If you replace that second number, that is the subtract by its 2's complement. So what you have to write? 2's complement of B. Do you understand this first step? We want to perform this subtraction A minus B. So how you convert that subtraction in addition? For that, we have to find out the 2's complement of B and we have to add that 2's complement in A. So A plus 2's complement of B. Okay, like that. For example, here we perform with these steps. Before step 2, we perform the examples. Example also. Okay, so now we perform this addition. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry 1. Carry 1. Okay. Means if carry here, what about the carry? Our answer, we have to neglect that carry in 2's complement. Subtraction by 2's complement. We have to neglect that carry. Do not that carry. Carry पुढे इथे answer मध्ये carry करायची नाही. Ignore the carry. What they say, if carry present, ignore the carry and answer is positive. Whenever your answer is positive, then only carry is present. Okay, म्हणजेच वरचा number A is greater than B, then only carry is present. आणि मग ती कॅरी आपण इग्नोर करायची, इथे आन्सर मध्ये कन्सिडर करायची नाही. बिकॉज लिसन हियर 1100 is your number. 1100 means 12. 12 minus 7. Your answer is 5 and your answer is plus 5. And here we get 4 plus 1. Answer is 5 and answer is positive. So here what you have to say, if what is step 2? If carry present, your answer is negative. Sorry, your answer is positive. Carry जर आली, the answer काय असणार आहे? Positive number and ignore the carry. Carry cancel करायची, ती पुढे forward करायची नाही answerला. या दोन्ही लिहून घ्या. Maximum time the question is like that. Explain the subtraction by 2's complement. प्रत्येक वेळी मी बोर्ड क्वेश्चन पण सांगते, प्रत्येक टॉपिकचे तुम्हाला एक्सप्लेन द सबट्रॅक्शन बाय 2's complement. At that time you have to explain like this. If A minus B is there, what is the first step? Find the 2's complement of B and add in A. A plus 2's complement of B. And with example also you have to explain that. Consider any example, any simple example. Find out the 2's complement of B. Add in the first number. And whatever the addition, there are two cases in addition. Sometimes carry present, sometimes carry is not there. If your answer is negative, means if number B is greater than A, then there is no carry. Then what we have to do? That we are going to study here. Before that, you have to write down this one. Okay? लिहून घ्या हे सगळं. All of you complete writing all this. Okay. So next example for step 3. For example, suppose answer is 0, 1, 1, 0 minus 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay. Now, according to our first step, find the two's complement of number b. This is our a and this is our b. So, a plus 2's complement of b. So, a equal to what? 0, 1, 1, 0 and 2's complement of 1, 1, 0, 0 is 0, 0, 1, 1 plus 1. 1, 1, 0, 0 means 0, 0, 1, 1 is its one's complement, and we have to add 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. Here 1 and 0. So 2's complement is 0, 1, 0, 0. So we have to add like that. This is your number A, and this is 0, 1, 0, 0. This is 2's complement of B. So perform this addition. Up to this, do you understand? A number as it is. And for B, we have to find out the 2's complement of B like this and add that 2's complement to number A. Now we perform this addition. Addition is quite simple. 0 plus 0 is always 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. And 1 plus 0 is 1. So carry is not present. So what do you understand by carry not present? Listen, if carry doesn't present or not present, answer is carry nahi म्हणजेच answer, our answer is negative number. And it is in 2's complement form. जर कॅरी आली नाही तर आपलं आन्सर निगेटिव्ह आहे आणि ते रियल पण नाहीये आन्सर. त्या आन्सरचा परत 2's कॉम्प्लिमेंट फाइंड आउट करायचं, ते आपलं रियल आन्सर असणार आहे. सो आन्सर इज निगेटिव्ह and 2's complement of answer is, that is 1, 0, 1, 0. 2's complement काय येणार त्याचा 0, 1, 0, 1 दिसतंय हे पण. ओके, 0, 1, 0, 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1, 1, 0. Answer is minus 6. Therefore, real answer is minus 0, 1, 1, 0. Right answer है बघा. हा नंबर A नंबर आहे 6 minus B number आहे 12. 6 minus 12. Our answer should be minus 6. And we get right answer. काय चेंज झाला? थर्ड स्टेप काय ऍड झाली? जर इथे तुम्ही a plus 2's complement of b केला and if carry is not present, then what it indicates? Answer is negative number and find out the answers 2's complement. जे आलेला आहे a plus 2's complement नंतर जे आन्सर आलेला आहे, find out the 2's complement again of that number. So in this way you find out the 2's complement of that answer and give the answer minus sign. So our answer is minus 0,110. Okay? Do you understand? Now the last point of this chapter, that is subtraction by 1's complement, that we are going to perform in tomorrow's lecture. आज तुमचं फिजिक्सचं पण चालू आहे, कंटिन्यू करू शकता, माझं झालं की तिकडे. But write down all these steps properly because the question is like that. Explain the subtraction by 2's complement. Then you have to explain these steps in words and 2 examples. In one example, A is greater than B, and in second mathematical example, A less than B. म्हणजे मायनस आन्सर वाला तुम्हाला थर्ड स्टेप टॅली करून दाखवेल आणि A ग्रेटर दॅन B जर असेल तर तुमचं कॅरी कशी इग्नोर करायची आणि आन्सर राईट असेल. जर B मोठा असेल, A लेस दॅन B, तर आन्सर काय येणार? निगेटिव्ह येणार, कॅरी येणार नाही. कॅरी आलं नाही हे कसलं सिम्पटम आहे? युअर आन्सर इज निगेटिव्ह अँड इट इज इन 2's complement form. Everyone understand this? Okay. Okay, we will continue in our tomorrow's lecture. मॅक्सिमम लोकांनी अटेंड करत चला, लाईव्ह लेक्चर सगळ्यांना सांगा.